course. And as we walk in, of course, right here is a little dining room table with some chairs. And then actually this, it's still, we have it here as the sofa bed. This is normally a sofa, but last night pulled it out. So this does sleep up to 2 people on this bed. There's what it looks like. So that is actually the sofa bed. And of course over here I have some just stuff of charging some things. They do have some ports like USB down there, and of course for the light switch as well. And then they have some artwork on the walls as well. And then of course over here we have a nice little table to put some of your luggage on top of there or down below there, I would say. And of course we have a little small TV, and of course we have some drawers to put your clothes in if you would like. And we got some cabinets down here as well. And then of course there is a microwave, so you do get a microwave. And here we have some more cabinets as well. It has some plates and cups in case you need any of that. Of course we do have a sink as well. And also they do have a stove right here as well. Just move this a minute. So right there, that is a stove. So if you want to cook anything while you're here, you can. And there's some more cabinets. And there were some more pots and pans, it looks like. And then also right here is of course a mini fridge. So of course we have some drinks in there right now. So I do have a mini fridge. Alright, next I'll show you guys inside the bathroom right here. So it has a bath in here right here with a shower as well. And of course we have a big mirror as well with a nice sink, and of course the lovely toilet seat as well. So like I said, it's a 1 bathroom as well. So we'll go on to here to this next room. So of course in this room, this has 2 probably I would say queen size beds right here. So you can sleep probably at least 1 person in each. Technically they say this can sleep up to 4 people, so I guess 1 person 1 bed, but I think you could probably get 2 people in these beds, so you could hold up to 6. But right here of course is the 2 beds, and of course in the center they do have another one of those charging ports for charging anything as well. And of course, let's see what we have down here. There's another drawer down here. And of course right here there is of course another cabinet for storing everything, and of course another mirror, and of course a TV up there as well. And it looks like over here is we have a little closet space right here. You can hang stuff up, your clothes, and it looks like we have a safe as well, place for extra towels as well, and then extra blankets. That would be for the sofa bed out there because that stuff was up here. And it looks like this door actually also closes. So then that store would stay closed. And looking out the window here in the bedroom, you can see where we're at. So right there, the end of the mall, the one side. But yeah. Alright, one thing I want to note here on the door right here, of course, if you want to know what the pricing is like, right here is the pricing. So right now we are in off season, which is January 13th to March 16th. So weekday will be $115, weekend $140, or holiday $155. So right there is the cheapest time would become, because it's the off season. But if you come during the in season, you're looking in the 300 ranges, but still not terribly priced. But just want to show you guys the price range in case you ever want to stay here at the Victorian Motel.